try and get where you got to.
First one we got to.
Last two solid.
Yeah.
Anyway, I kind of lost my anger because a friend of mine started to cut himself, so I put this spatula to my daughter.
It's not me, you can check my wrist. Oh, I found your spatula.
Non-broken one?
Yeah, the non-broken, the other black one. Check out the top of the thing. How fucking stupid is that? It's black a bunch at the fucking.
Anyway, we have a fan, soda bottle, pieces of wood, box, guitar, baby toy, blankets,
Shit,
garbage bag,
everywhere.
a bunch of chairs, a bunch of blankets, shit. So, yeah, just chilling.
It's like, what the fuck, what are you guys doing? I'm just gonna chill now.
Over her head.
It's like, what the fuck was that?
No, it's just her. Hello.
Yeah, back here. Shit.
Oh, dude, she charged.
Fucking egg.
Dude, I pissed her off when I was going like this, dude.
Oh, fuck.
Let me see
Damn,
that.
want me to redo that?
No, let me see that, dude.
That was excellent.
Alright, we had a bunch of pieces. Shit, never mind. Oh, we had a bunch of pieces on the floor right here. And all. And, well, I kind of pissed her to fuck off with smacking the ground, and she charged right through it. So we're gonna have to redo the whole fucking thing again. So, lucky ass.
So, episode 3 failed?
Episode 3 failed.